So today I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs to invite people to sign up for a prayer and fasting initiative. So what we'll do is in the description of this video, I'm going to post a link to our template so that you can just copy that template and reuse it. And how you do that is once you open the link, just click File and make a copy. And you'll be able to add the template to your Google Drive, and from there make edits and change it according to your needs. Some things that are just helpful in that are to kind of have a call to action and an explanation of what you're fasting for, make the title whatever the topic is. And then adding links or any description of things like prayer points, you can put that into the sheet itself. And basically you're just inviting people to put their names in. If you want, you can add more columns if you want multiple people to fast and pray on a specific day. Once you've changed all the content, deleted or added days according to what you need, the most important thing is that we need to share it. And when you're sharing the document, two things that you need to make sure are: one is that the link is available to everyone. So we want to enable link sharing, and then we also want to make sure that they can actually edit it in order to type in their name and reserve or say that they're going to fast on a specific day. So once it's enabled for everyone and they can edit, now we can copy the link, and this is the link that we can send out in an email as we're asking people to pray, or post this to a forum or wherever we're going to invite people to use the form, and then they can just get on and add their name to the day that they want to pray. So that's how we can use a Google form. The nice thing about it is that multiple people can get on it and add their name and sign up for prayer, and that way we can make sure that all the days are covered